Working from home has inspired many companies to invent new ways to connect with customers and build business.
With so many digital channels these days, people are overwhelmed with marketing. And marketing is all about getting the right message to the right person at the right time with the right offer.
Click-to-Mail is an easy-to-use online tool for creating and sending real postal mail without leaving your chair.
We are seeing a resurgence of interest in real mail, and there's less mail in the mailbox. So people enjoy receiving mail. 42% of people read the mail that they get, and 9 out of 10 pieces of mail gets read. The marketing mail that they do receive is much more effective because it has less competition.
TaxServe, a growing receivables company, was losing valuable time and money. They needed to find a technology-forward solution to the way they were reaching their mail customers.
Before click-to-mail, we would do everything by hand. We would fold and stuff mailers, and we would have to take hundreds of letters to the post office by ourselves and have it processed. We needed to find a more efficient way of getting these mailers out.
The first thing we're going to do is find out what your assets look like. We're going to take a look at the document that you want mailed. We're going to take a look at the mailing list that you have. We're going to find out where you are, and we're going to find the solution that works best for you.
We needed to find a way to streamline our process. Just folding and stuffing mail by hand is just not efficient. So moving to click-to-mail was just a wise choice. They personalized their service to what we needed. Using click-to-mail helped us improve our processes and allowed us to generate more mail with less time. It helped us increase our client base from 10 to 60. It's phenomenal.
We can send the itty-bitty, teeny-tiny 3.5 by 5 postcards, or we can send a 47-page certified letter with an electronic return receipt. It doesn't matter, we can get it all in the mail tomorrow. We love mail. We go above and beyond to meet our customers where they are. It matters to us. If somebody's in the Google Drive, we want them to be able to send mail from the Google Drive. If somebody's working with Microsoft Word, we want them to be able to send mail from Microsoft Word. We are just constantly looking for ways to meet people where they are. Our motto is we make mail easy.
Benefits of click-to-mail are number one, ease of use. You can just log into our website. There are no fees, no subscriptions. You can just do it in the moment. But secondarily, the sophistication of our technology, the ability to get something, an idea today in your head and then get it into a mail design piece that is in the mail tomorrow, which is what click-to-mail does, is really an incredible opportunity for marketers.
For more information on Click-to-Mail, go to clicktomail.com.